Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a double unboxing. So I actually have a funny story, not a funny, but I have a story, of this. So, but let's go ahead and unbox these models and then I'll tell you it. Okay, so opening the box here. Yeah, alright, there you go. You can see the model. First one, it is the Southwest Boeing 737-700 by Gemini Jets, 1 to 400 scale. And let's put that off to the side. The next model is the same thing. And, it's ripped. Okay, so apparently it's ripped. The box is ripped. So let me tell you the story. So I kind of rearranged this, but the story is, so this is the old box. This is the old box, and so when this first came, I originally ordered one of these. So when this one first came, right, it came with the defective model. The model had like a, here, I was like, you can see the picture right now, but the model like the wheel was twisted. So I ordered another one, a replacement, and this box came with the better model. So why don't we go ahead? This is like this is the defective model and bad box. This is the better box and better model. Okay, here's the better one with the better box. Let's go ahead and unbox this one. Here it is. Okay, open this. Here's the top plastic wrap and the model. Yeah, here you can see the wheel. It is pretty accurate, pretty straight. So everything turned out fine with this model. Came in perfect condition, although the box did not. But maybe they did that on purpose. I don't know. But there we go. Let's go and actually fix this. There we go. Okay. So why don't we go ahead and start the review. So first, let's review the boxes. Okay, so first, let's review the boxes. Let's go ahead and start with the ripped one. So this box, it clearly is ripped. So this is a terrible box. But this is an exclusive. That's fine. I will be returning this, so that's okay. Their slogan, Gemini Jets' logo. Their slogan, made for collectors by collectors. The clip art of the plane here, and the airplane shop exclusive kind of badge kind of thing. And this is just the type of plane, airline, some other stuff. Now this is kind of the same thing, just some qualities of the model. It's pretty much the same thing all around. But on the back, it has some copyright information and pretty much all the same stuff. This tag is just for the from the actual store, since it did come from the store. I didn't buy it. I got it from Amazon, but they did get it from the store. That's why it has this thing right here. But that's it for the box. Why don't we go ahead and look into this other box? Okay, so this is definitely a better box. So I'm not going to go into too much detail with this. It's just not ripped. So it's the normal stuff all around. Nothing different. And I did notice this right over here. It's a little crease. So, but that's fine. And pretty much the same thing over here. Everything is the same. Okay. Now that we've gone over the boxes, let's go ahead and look into the models. Okay, so this is the newer model. I mean, the older one. This is the defective one. So let's go ahead and just review this guy right over here. Okay, and look at this in detail. This is the cockpit right here. This is the, oh my god, front landing gear. This is the twisted one. You can clearly see that. It looks like it's turning. But that's actually a pretty cool effect. So in case I might choose to keep this model, just in case it's like turning or something, then that would be really realistic. But unfortunately, for the time being, it is not. But I do appreciate this model. But anyways, right here we have the clip art design of this livery. This is like the bird, giant bird with the nest and the baby birds and on the engine. We have the wing, classic wing, nothing much to that. Engine seems fine, they seem accurate. The Wi-Fi box, the antenna right over here. Union just as confidence. And the tail, this is a classic like 1, like Louisiana 1, Illinois 1, all of the Florida 1, all of them have this sort of design, right? But on the other side, it's the exact same thing. Let's go ahead and look at the top view. Okay, this is your top view. Take a look at that. I apologize, the lighting is not as good. Maybe that will make it a little bit better, but here we go. This is our top view. This is the antenna, the wing. This is the horizontal stabilizers right here. That's pretty much it for this. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom now. So bottom, this is the hole for the Gemini jet stand. The wing you can clearly see is twisted. And this is just where a landing gear would go fold into. And then there's just like these feathers, I assume, or something. And then just the blue bottom. So that's it for this model. And I think that'll wrap it up because the other one is pretty much the same thing. But let's just get a shot with all of them together. Your final view. This is the defective model, and this is the proper model. I really hope that you enjoyed this double unboxing. But look forward in these next couple weeks for another double unboxing. This time it will be 2 different models. But I really hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed having these 2 models. And that, since I'm going to be returning this one, this brings my collection total up to 4, which is a start. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.